It's primordial. Take the seat of your soul and let it talk to you. Realize what life symbolizes. Center yourself to rise. Use your inner eye. Reach them peaks and them higher highs. Take flight with might. Ignite the light where your fire's at. You're the truth, you're the truth, I admire that. You're the truth, I admire that. Let's acquire facts, relax, you're the beacon of hope. You still shine, though the sequence is broke. Let no one be a thief as you scope. They can't dampen your flame with focus, you cope. And if you need a hand, then let me know, let me know. Life can seem tough, so it's best we grow. Together glow, forever though. You're drowning, I'll get the boat. It's not too late, talk to me. Let's conversate. Talk to me, let's conversate.
Yo, what's good everybody? I hope everyone had a positive weekend. Their week started off right. Hope there's a lot of love in everyone's life. People are able to find more peace, more harmony. These are tough times, and just wanted to set some positive vibes.
If we argue on beyond the hate, above is love, so let us concentrate. We all make mistakes, let's celebrate and elevate to a better space, a better place within. Breathe out, breathe in, speak queen, speak king. Let's converse, start speaking. You're still breathing, that's an achievement. Yourself you should believe in. You're the key when doors are locked. To open doors, the source is God. To open doors, the source is God. Amen, I'm aiming at your soul and your heart. This is a light for you and your family through the dark. It's not too late, talk to me, let's conversate. Yeah, talk to me, let's conversate. This is real, this is strength, beyond the fake. Me give up on you never, that's when my head will shake. If we argue on beyond the hate, above is love, so let us concentrate. We all make mistakes, let's celebrate and elevate. Mental health is number one, check your mental state. Don't suffer in silence, let us conversate. Don't suffer in silence, let us conversate.
What up, what up, what up? Yeah, peace and blessings, everybody. You know what I mean? Definitely wanna echo that. You know what I'm saying? Let the GP put up there love and light to everybody. Just checking in on folks, making sure. Hope all y'all are well, safe, healthy. You know, hope everyone's having a productive week so far. And if not, the rest of the week will be productive for you. If the week hasn't been good, turn that mother lover around. It's gonna be great regardless, you heard? So yeah, man. Love, light, and blessings to everyone, man.